Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Church GPT and signing in with the church's official email. Enable 2FA immediately for security. Once signed in, make sure to assign minimal permissions, calendar, contacts, sermon notes, so data stays scoped. You should also create one template now. A simple greeting, service outline, and call to action. This speeds every future task. Doing these first steps prevents confusion later, and it lets you move straight into drafting messages and scheduling without interrupting service flow. You now design the core workflows that Church GPT will run: donations, event RSVP, and pastor follow-ups, because automation succeeds when mapped. Next, integrate calendar, email, SMS, and the volunteer roster so actions flow between systems. Test each channel briefly. Once done, set triggers, keywords in messages, event dates, or attendance thresholds to launch workflows automatically. Make sure to label each trigger clearly. This prevents accidental sends and lets you adjust timing and tone with precision. You launch with a soft test, one cohort, one event, limited sends, so metrics are readable and risks stay small. Then monitor logs, open rates, and replies closely. Tweak templates and timing based on real responses. Once confident, scale to full lists. If something goes wrong, messages stop, or data fails, first check permissions, API keys, and trigger rules. These are the usual culprits. If that doesn't fix it, pause the workflow, revert to the prior template, and contact support with logs attached.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.